Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to use Kilonotes, a powerful and easy-to-use note-taking app. Since 2024, there have been many exciting updates, so I'll walk you through all the features step by step. In case you didn't know, Kilonotes is available on iOS and Android, so you can use it on both tablets and phones. But for this tutorial, I'll be focusing on the Android version. If you'd like to see a tutorial for iOS tablets, let me know in the comments. Before we get into it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. To get the most updated version, however, download Kilonotes on Google Play. Kilonotes is also available on the Huawei or Samsung App Store, but payment options may be limited if you download outside of Google Play. Since Android devices have different limitations, your experience might not be completely similar to mine. For this video, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S8, so my experience might be the most similar to Samsung Tab users. Once you've downloaded Kilonotes, let's open the app. This is the homepage, where you'll find everything you need to start organizing your notes. You'll see navigation icons at the top, folders for organizing your notes, and you can click on this plus icon to add new folders. At the bottom, there are two icons, Note and Card. Notebooks where you can write and store your content. At the top right corner, you'll find three important icons to help you get started. 1. Importing files. The first icon is for importing files. Click the Import button to bring in files like PDFs, materials, or custom notebook templates. Once downloaded, just tap on it and it will automatically import into Kilonotes. 2. Kilonotes Store. The second icon takes you to the Kilonotes Store. Download templates. Purchase memberships to unlock more features. After unlocking the member benefits, you can use all Kilonotes feature without limits. You can also have more beautiful sticker materials and templates to choose from and use. 3. Settings. The last icon is for settings. Back up your notes to keep them safe. Merge notes, data backup. Organizing notes. There are two main ways to do this. Organizing notes. 1. Creating folders. Simply drag and drop notebooks together, and a folder will be created automatically. And you can rename the folder for easy access. 2. Merging notes. Kilonotes also allows you to merge notes for a cleaner workspace. To do so, you can click Merge Notes to combine notes into one. Now, let's create a new notebook. 1. Click Create, and you'll see a variety of notebook covers to choose from. 2. Click the icon in the upper left corner to switch between landscape and portrait mode. 3. If you don't like the default covers, you can import your own. 4. Click Next and choose your inner page style. Each color corresponds to a different template, such as weekly planners, monthly planners, Cornell notes, and more. 5. If you need more options, the app has plenty of additional choices. 6. Click Create, then tap on the notebook name to edit it. And that's it. You can kickstart your journaling or note-taking journey. Now, let's talk about one of the coolest features, K-Switch. I will use this to explain the various things you can do on Kilonotes for Android. By tapping on the K-Switch, you can enter a quick edit mode where you can easily make changes to your notes by writing out a variety of special commands. In the upper left corner, you will see a quick guide of all the available commands. Let me also explain them to you one by one. Circle to select and move content, and then you can edit it freely. Draw an X to delete. Write in to switch to the pen tool. Here you can choose from 3 types of pens: gel pen, fountain pen, and regular pen. You can select colors from the palette, or use the color picker to extract color. And you can set your pen color and thickness. Different combinations produce different effects. Right P to open an image. This rectangle is the crop button, which can cut images into defined sizes. You can adjust the transparency here. If you want to crop a photo according to your own shape, use the freehand tool. When K-Switch is not on, you can also add images from this top bar. If you want to remove the background from an image, you can click Picture Cutout, then Transparent Background. By the way, the Selection and Cutout button also has a similar function. To find the edited photos, simply tap this icon and find your photo under My Materials. When you have multiple images like this, you can adjust the layers by moving the order of the images, or you can lock the images to ensure they can't be moved. If you want to delete a sticker, tap the right icon to delete it. There is also an interesting feature called paper cutting. You can choose a picture you like, try different folding methods to achieve different effects. Create your own paper cutting artwork by drawing different shapes. Click Next to generate your unique design. You can also find many sticker materials here. Find materials you like and download them for use. Write T for text mode. You can insert text on where you draw. Writing in the text box will automatically turn your handwriting to text. You can adjust text size and color. You can also choose font styles here. Kilonotes for Android also lets you adjust paragraph alignment to keep your notes neat. Draw an L to switch to the highlight tool. The highlight tool can also adjust color and thickness, and the operation is the same as the pen tool. You can use the highlight tool to make the important parts stand out. CNV to copy and paste, and Draw to select all content for quick editing. Rotate the right side icon to undo redo actions, and the left side icon to easily switch to another note. And if you want to switch the pages, slide the slider at the bottom to switch to the note page you want. Now let's explore the toolbar outside the K-switch, where you'll find all the tools you need. 1. Doodle Pen. This is a special Kilonotes feature, which allows you to use the Doodle Pen to draw fun designs and decorate your notes. 2. Shapes and Diagrams tool. You can use this tool to create tables, arrows, and other diagrams with ease. 3. Flashcards. Flashcards are very helpful for reviewing your notes. You can use a lasso tool to frame important content, then click More Tags, create a new label to sort your cards. Go back to Homepage and click Card, and choose the card and rename it to keep your cards organized. Then you can review them individually in the card section. Also, you can create your own cards, write your own text, or add a picture. Plus, you can insert the card in your notes. 4. Tape feature. Use the tape tool to cover up parts you need to memorize. Go over your notes and try to fill in the blanks. To view the correct answer, click once to see the covered part. 5. Preview mode. Click on the finger icon to enter preview mode, great for reviewing notes without accidental edits. 6. Laser pointer, perfect for presentations. The writing disappears after a few seconds, so it won't clutter your notes. 7. Audio recorder. Record lectures and attach audio to specific notes. Adjust playback speed and flag key sections for reference. 8. Stickers. Use built-in stickers to customize your notes. 9. Search. Use lasso to pick up the content you want to search and click Search. You can quickly find your content, whether it's in flashcards, current notes, or other notes. You can even search for it in the web page. 10 hyperlinks and delete outlines. First, you need to import a textbook or note with hyperlinks. Switch pages directly by clicking on the title in the outline. Click 1 to automatically redirect to the link page. Secondly, you can use the outline function to link to different sections of the notes. If you make a mistake, click on the icon at the bottom right. You can edit or delete it again. Of course, you can also select multiple or select all to delete them. Now, let's explore the translation feature. You don't need to switch your apps. Just put your content and click Translate. Wow, amazing thing! You will see what was translated on your right. And another feature I must tell you is AI Assistant. It's vital for you to work or study. You can find it in the top right corner. Just click it and then open AI Assistant. And now you can ask it whatever you want to know. Finally, let me tell you a secret Kilonotes feature. If you click About Us, you will find this hidden space. This is where you can put your private notes. You can set a password and store confidential notes securely. I like this function because I can set a password to prevent others from seeing my notes. That's everything you need to know about Kilonotes. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help.